small in your eyes when the Lord chose you? The reason why the Lord chose you, because you have this humility. You do not look at yourself bigger and greater than anybody else. Stay small in your eyes, depending on the power of God and the grace of God, not on our own strength, but depending on His mercy. And last is this, for us to keep on walking in the Spirit of God. Focus more on repentance and less on relief. Focus more on repentance. The real solution to our lives is not relief, but repentance. When Saul was tormented by demons, he was depressed, he was anxious, he was afraid, he's always on the edge. And what he does is he's always looking for relief. He needed a musician. He would call a musician to come and give him some comfort. He tried to focus the next high instead of repenting from his disobedience. He could have called Samuel and prayed for him and laid out of hands. He could have just repented and confessed his sins before God. But he focused on finding relief. Many people, many Christians, they focus more on trying to experience that high once again. They would go to conferences and churches, they want to see the next move, not because of God, but just to find some relief on the inner struggles, the inner turmoil that they have in their lives. The real solution is not relief, but repentance. And King David fell into sin. Without realizing, he has already walked away from God. From a single temptation, looking at the woman, to committing adultery with him, and become even worse, to committing murder just to cover up their relationship. He was not aware he was walking away. All he wanted is some relief, some pleasure, some satisfaction. But the good thing with David is that he went back to repentance. And he said, God, I have sinned. Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me. Cast me not away from your presence, and renew a steadfast spirit in me. Today, let's continue to walk in the Spirit of God. It is not too late. He is here. He wants to walk with us in every step of the way. Some of us are probably inching away. We no longer experience His presence. You're seeing things just like what Saul had experienced. You start agreeing what the enemy says instead of attacking the enemy. You start fearing people instead of serving His people. You start having this friction against authority instead of working together with godly authority. And we become more focused on ourselves, on what we want, instead of the mission that God has put in our life. Today,